Nørrebro City Center, located in Lygten 2L, 2400 Copenhagen. Nørrebro Bycenter is a small, local city center in Nørrebro in inner Copenhagen. Here you will find 23 exciting stores spread over the 11,000 square meters of retail space. At Nørrebro Bycenter there is something for everyone. Whether you need to update your wardrobe with new clothes, shoes, jewelry or accessories, or you are looking for toys, home accessories or hardware, you will find it all in Nørrebro Bycenter. Visit Nørrebro Bycenter and explore the local cozy stores. We make it easy to enjoy the city.